Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hitch receiver lock is probably one of the most overlooked accessories when it comes to vehicle security, but it's also one of the most important. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hitch receiver locks, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you choose the perfect lock to protect your trailers and other valuable towing equipment. We'll cover everything from the different types of locks available to the features you should be looking for. Number 5. Master Lock 2866 DAT Receiver Lock. This receiver lock offers enhanced security and deters theft while you're towing. It's designed to give you peace of mind knowing your trailer is protected. This is a reliable solution for your needs. The 1/2-inch pin is rated for up to 3,500 pounds, while the 5/8-inch pin handles up to 10,000 pounds. This ensures it can handle a variety of trailer classes. It's built to withstand tough conditions. The locking head rotates, allowing the keyway to face forward for easy access. The push-to-lock mechanism ensures a secure lock every time. Simply push and remove the key. A snap-on cover protects the keyway from weather, dirt, and moisture. This feature helps to extend the life and reliability of the lock. It's designed for long-lasting performance. The 5/8-inch pin fits 2-inch receiver tubes, and the 1/2-inch pin fits 1 to 1/4-inch tubes. It includes 2 pins, 2 keys, and a locking swivel head. Always check rack compatibility before use. What we like. This receiver lock is designed with weather resistance in mind, protecting the keyway from the elements. It features a convenient push-to-lock mechanism, making it easy to secure your trailer. If you frequently tow in various weather conditions and value ease of use, this is a great choice. What people say. Its swivel head design allows it to fit both 1/2 inches and 5/8 inches receiver openings, making it versatile for various towing needs. One of the standout features is its weather-resistant construction. Smooth to install and uninstall. Number 4. METOWARE Trailer Hitch Lock. This is a newly upgraded trailer hitch receiver lock. It's made with all-metal construction. 2 tubular keys are included to ensure easy fit and detach. The trailer hitch lock is designed with a diameter 5/8 and a length of 3 to 1/2 inch. It is compatible with Class 3-4 hitches, 2-inch 2 to 1/2 hitch receiver, big towing truck and car. Please make sure of the size before placing an order. The core of the lock is made of premium zinc alloy tubular. Its anti-theft design can withstand significant blows from different kinds of external force. Additionally, it includes a rubber cap and 8 rubber O-rings, which effectively keeps the keyhole away from dirt, dust, and water, preventing any rattling noises. This hitch lock features high-quality solid steel with black electrophoretic paint. It is quite sturdy and can carry up to 30,000 pounds, twice as much as that of common pin locks. It is durable and reliable. It features a push-button lock system for easy, key-free operation and enhanced security with round keys that are harder to pick. The anti-theft performance is excellent, ensuring the safety of your vehicle at all times. What we like. This lock boasts a heavy-duty, all-metal construction, ensuring maximum security for your trailer. The inclusion of rubber O-rings effectively eliminates rattling noises. If you are looking for a robust and quiet solution for your towing needs, this lock is a perfect fit. What people say. These appear to be well made and have rubber washers to keep them from rattling. Heavy duty. Nicely made. Has the round key and lock which makes it safer. They fit good, nice they came with the anti-rattle O-rings. Also another nice thing is they are all key-to-like. Number 3. Master Lock 1469 DAT Receiver Lock. This Master Lock receiver lock is perfect for securing your vehicles, trailers, and RV hitches. It's designed to provide reliable protection against theft and unauthorized use. This lock offers peace of mind on the road. The lock features a convenient push-to-lock mechanism. Simply push the lock body onto the pin, and then remove the key. It's quick, easy, and provides instant security for your belongings. Built to withstand the elements, this lock features a weather-tough seal and a watertight cap. This design protects it from moisture and dirt, ensuring it functions reliably in various conditions. It's durable and built to last. This receiver lock fits 5 8-inch receiver openings and has an extended length shaft. It's suitable for a wide range of trucks, including Toyota Tundra, Ford F-150, and Chevy GMC models. It is designed for heavy-duty tow packages. The package includes one trailer receiver lock and 2 keys. This ensures you have a spare key in case one is lost. It's a complete solution for securing your trailer or vehicle. What we like. This receiver lock is crafted from stainless steel, offering superior durability and resistance to corrosion. The push-to-lock mechanism provides ease of use, and the weather-tough seal protects against the elements. If you value longevity and ease of use, this lock is a great option. What people say. It is made of quality material. I purchased this lock 4 years ago. I live in Florida, pull boats frequently, saltwater, fresh, brackish waters and the hot wet Florida conditions. I leave it on the receiver year-round, still works perfectly to this day. The rubber cap is still in place and functioning as it should. This lock appears high-quality construction and materials, and I love the 90-degree angle lock mechanism. The key is large, allowing someone with normal man hands to hold the key and operate the lock. The master lock key is much easier to use, and the lock mechanism works smoothly when installing and removing. It is easy to pull check to make sure it is firmly latched and swivels cleanly. Number 2. Kohree 5 8-inch trailer hitch pin lock set. This Kohree hitch lock weighs 1.5 pounds and is built to last. The hardened construction with a black finish resists both breakage and rust, ensuring it can withstand the elements. The key slot cap is made of advanced rubber. It perfectly covers the keyhole, preventing moisture, water, and dust from entering. This design helps to protect the lock core. This hitch pin lock fits Class 3 and 4 hitches. With its 5 8-inch diameter and included O-rings, it ensures a secure fit for 2-inch and 2.5-inch receivers, eliminating any rattling or shaking. The hitch lock is designed with a safer zinc alloy lock core and a unique plum blossom keyhole. Each lock cylinder is unique, protecting your hitch from theft. The spring clip and 2 holes provide double safety. It's easy to use with its push-to-lock design. Simply push the tubular keys to lock and unlock. Replace your old locks with this one for a more secure hitch experience. What we like. This hitch pin lock features an anti-theft design with a secure lock core. The flexible key slot cap keeps out moisture and debris. If you are looking for enhanced security and ease of use, this lock offers a reliable solution. What people say. Love the lock, rubber spacers, security clips, easy access to dust cap and lock works great. Looks great and works perfectly. These work obviously and as you'd want them to with a simple turn. The length fits tight to go through my 2 receiver. Washer keep the pin tight and quiet. Number 1. Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit for 2 trailers. Join the Rhino USA family. This product is from a father-son business. They offer the best USA-based customer support. This heavy-duty powder-coated finish shields against rust, corrosion, and harsh weather. It ensures long-lasting protection for your trailer hitch coupler lock. It fits select 50 by 50, 50 by 60 couplers, and 2 A-frame couplers. Note that it is not compatible with adjustable, bulldog, lock trailer, 50 mm, ring pintle, or 1 to 7/8 couplers. Know that your boat, toy hauler, or trailer is securely protected from theft. This is a durable, tamper-resistant lock designed for maximum security. The hitch trailer locks come with a lifetime replacement. If you encounter any issues, they will ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This trailer hitch lock kit is built with heavy-duty materials and a powder-coated finish to withstand harsh weather. It offers a lifetime replacement guarantee, providing peace of mind. If you want a durable and reliable lock with a strong warranty, consider this one. What people say. Simple and sturdy trailer lock that adds peace of mind when we have our RV in storage or when we're away from the site. The hitch lock is a little different in design but fit our trailer well and would be challenging to remove without significant effort. Because it's spring-loaded, it's quick and easy to lock and unlock from trailer with one hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.